Day 4, dumpster 7, still dragging it out. Let me show you what we've got done. I'll lift that and leave it out there now. Living room cleaned out. Still looks like a terrorist blew up in here, but master bedroom smells like chemicals, but it's cleaned out. Maybe she can show you some before pictures. And here we are going down the hallway. We need to get some light. Hey, let me grab this. So back in there is where you might show how much we got to do. So pretty good sized room. It's about 6 foot high. That's the bathroom. And here's one we started on, this bedroom.
That bed took up most of it.
We're making it. So here we go. We're going to do it again. See if we can fill up another dumpster before noon. See ya.